Let's take a look at how the factory produces sausages. First, the workers cut the frozen chicken chunks into strips. This makes it easier to feed them into the meat grinder. With the efficient operation of the meat grinder, the chicken chunks quickly turn into minced meat. At this point, the chicken mince is still quite coarse. The workers mix in various spices, salt, and food coloring with the chicken mince. Under the emulsification treatment in the chopping machine, the sausage's density and elasticity are greatly enhanced. At this stage, the meat mixture is ready to be used for making sausages. The workers will put food-grade casings, which are hedge-resistant, onto the sausage stuffing machine. With the machine in operation, the sausages start to take shape. The workers then push these sausages into the steaming box through high-temperature cooking. The sausages that come out still emit steam. They need to be quickly cooled down with cold water. Just like when we boil eggs at home, rapid cooling in cold water helps the sausage's meat to firm up, making the surface smoother and making it easier to remove the casing. After removing the casing, we have the sausages we often eat.